Hi, Liliana. How are you today?
Hi, Jackson. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good too. What did you do this morning?
I ate breakfast and read a book.
Oh, what book did you read?
It is a story about animals.
That sounds fun. I like stories too.
Really? What kind of stories do you like?
I like adventure stories.
Adventure stories are exciting.
Yes. And what did you have for breakfast?
I had eggs and bread.
Yum. I like eggs too.
Do you cook breakfast at home?
Sometimes. I like to make toast.
Toast is easy to make.
Yes. And I like jam on it.
I like butter on my toast.
Butter is tasty too.
What do you usually drink in the morning?
I drink tea. And you?
I drink milk.
Milk is healthy.
Yes, I like healthy food.
What do you want for lunch today?
I want a sandwich.
Sandwich is good. I want one too.
Do you like cheese in your sandwich?
Yes, I like cheese very much.
Me too. Cheese is delicious.
After lunch, what will you do?
I will go for a walk.
A walk is nice. Where will you go?
I will go to the park near my house.
I like the park too. There are many trees.
Yes, and many birds.
I like birds singing in the park.
Me too. It is peaceful.
Will you take a friend with you?
No, I will go alone today.
Sometimes I like walking alone too.
Walking alone is quiet and nice.
Do you walk in the morning or afternoon?
I usually walk in the afternoon.
Afternoon is warm and sunny.
Yes, it is a good time to enjoy the sun.
Do you like to take photos in the park?
Yes, I like to take photos of flowers.
Flowers are beautiful. I like roses.
Roses are my favorite too.
Do you have a garden at home?
Yes, I have a small garden.
What do you grow in your garden?
I grow flowers and some vegetables.
That is wonderful. I want a garden too.
You can start a small garden at home.
I will try that. Thank you for the idea.
You are welcome, Jackson.
What do you do after your walk?
I usually drink tea and read a book.
Sounds like a nice day.
Yes, I like calm and simple days.
Me too. I like simple days.
Do you like listening to music in the evening?
Yes, I like music very much.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft and relaxing music.
I like that too. It makes me happy.
Do you sing sometimes?
Yes, I sing when I am happy.
I like singing too.
Maybe one day we can sing together.
That would be fun.
Yes, I hope so.
If you like our conversation, subscribe to Everyday Dialogue.
Yes, click the button and join us for more English videos.
Don't forget to like and comment too.
We love reading your messages.
Share with your friends if you want them to learn English.
See you in the next video. Bye!